AR sound words. AR together sounds like R. Okay, we have many words which include AR sound, R sound in them, and we are going to learn some of those words today. Alright, let's move on. So the first word is lark. Lark is a small bird, as you can see in the picture. It looks like a sparrow. It's small and it's brown, but its name is lark. As we can see that lark has AR in it, we can say that it is an AR sound word. Alright, so the next word is spark. We can see spark in the crackers and sometimes in the sockets also. Okay, the spark can create a fire. Spark is an AR sound word. Okay, the next is dark. Some of us are afraid of dark, but we should not generally. Okay, so this is a picture of a dark night. Yeah, however, moon is there, light is there, but still sometimes it is very dark. Yeah, so dark is also an AR sound word. Okay, next is bark. This is a picture of a barking dog. Alright, so this is an AR sound word, bark. Next word is mark. This is a tick mark. This is a cross mark. Okay, there are many types of mark in our English alphabet. Okay, so let's move on. This is a picture of a shark. Okay, a shark is a water animal. Alright, it is also a mammal. It is very huge, very big, and lives in water, basically in oceans. Okay, let's move on. The next is cart. We all can see a cart in a shopping mall, in a grocery store, and other places where we go for shopping. Alright, this is a cart. We can see a cart at airport also. Okay, dart. These long sticks are known as darts. Okay, and this board is basically a dart board where we point the darts. Okay, so dart. All of these contain R sound. That is why they are R sound words, AR sound words. Okay, the next is a barge. It is a kind of water transport which is used for transporting materials from one place to another. Generally, less people go through it, but products trade is done using a barge. Okay, the next is bar. There can be a chocolate bar, there can be anything like a bar. So we are using a chocolate bar here. Okay, the next is a car. A very simple word and a very meaningful word, but a transport which we all have seen in our lives at least once, right? Generally we all see it daily, but again, this is a person's face with a scar. He might have got a wound by accident or something, but he has a scar of that wound on his face. Okay, there can be a scar of any wound on any part of your body. This is the picture of a jar. You can put anything in jar, but sometimes people put pickles in them, sometimes put jar in them, sometimes put jam in them. So, jar. This is a cute picture of a star. There are many stars in the sky, and I think that some stars are there on the earth also, in disguise of small kids. Okay, the next is a card. This is a picture of a birthday card. We can make any card for anyone to wish someone good luck, to wish for their good health, to get well soon, for their birthday, for their anniversary, or anything. The next is arm. We all have arm, I hope, and this is the body part which is very important in our lives, and if someone does not have it, it's very difficult for him or her to manage. Alright, so arm. This is a picture of a farm. Okay, a farm basically is used for growing crops. This is the picture of an alarm clock. Alarm. Yeah, when it rings in the morning, everybody gets irritated and all. Okay, so these are the words we discussed today. The first word is lark, then park, then dark, bark, mark, shark, spark, large, barge, part, cart, dart, chart, start, smart, far, car, scar, bar, jar, star, arm, farm, alarm, card, and party. Some of these words we did not discuss as pictures, but I would like to discuss them right now. For example, this word chart we did not discuss in the previous minutes, during the previous minutes. So everybody knows what a chart is. We sometimes draw on it, we sometimes use it for painting and many more things. Yeah, this word start is basically an action word, a verb, which means to start something, to begin something. Yeah, smart is basically used for people. It is an adjective. It is used for people who are either good looking or intelligent. Yeah, so it is used for them. And party, we all know what a party is, so I think everybody knows. Large basically means huge. For example, a shark is a large animal, a very huge animal. Yeah, we can see a large bunch of wood, etc. And I have not discussed far in here. Far basically means something at a very, very, very long distance from us. It is very far. So far means there's a long distance between two things or two people. Okay, so this is all we had to discuss for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. These are AR sound words. Please watch it, like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and thank you very much.